Hello, farm lovers. Welcome to Farm Vibes Life, where we explore the wild and wonderful world of cassava, yucca, manioc, or whatever you like to call it. In this 2025 adventure, we will uncover the secrets of growing, harvesting, and the modern readiness of cassava. Expect training techniques, fresh statistics, and expert tips to skyrocket productivity. Are you ready to get started? Let's roll. Cassava is a global superstar, feeding millions and creating wealth for many, from the tropics to the subtropics. In my hometown, it's a staple food, second only to maize, and trust me, we just can't get enough of it. Originating from South America, this root has spread worldwide, thriving in all types of soil and climates, becoming a farmer's best friend and a lifeline for both food and income. Forget the seeds. Cassava only needs to be propagated by cuttings. We cut mature tree sections 20-30 centimeters long, strip the leaves, and soak them in an insecticidal solution. Then comes the soil preparation stage, which is the game-changing step. Imagine this. The farmer grows rapeseed to pump nutrients into the soil, then tills it until it's as smooth as butter. Sprinkle a little compound fertilizer, plant the cuttings 40-50 centimeters apart, and install a highly intelligent drip irrigation system, watering directly at the roots with no waste, ensuring optimal plant growth. Reward. Some varieties allow you to harvest 2 to 3 times a year. Charging for the farmers. Cassava isn't the most glamorous crop, but it needs love. We're talking about regular weeding, ninja-level pest control with eco-friendly techniques, and keeping soil moisture at just the right level. After 9 to 10 months of special care, depending on the variety, the roots will be plump and ready. Harvest season is quite a challenge. Pulling them up by hand or using cutting-edge 2024 technology like mechanized harvesters to save time and effort. Trust us, these awesome machines are making large fields a breeze. Harvested roots don't last long because they spoil quickly, so we have to act fast. Clean the roots, peel them, grind them into a paste, then drain the water and dry them into cassava flour. Boom! Ready for the kitchen to bake or for some industrial magic. But wait, there's more! Cassava is the gift that keeps on giving. Its starch becomes snacks, medicine, and even fabric, while its protein-rich leaves feed livestock or even land on your plate. Waste? Nope, we're turning every bit into profit. And that's a wrap, folks. Thank you for joining Farm Vibes Live on this cassava adventure. Are you overwhelmed yet? Share your thoughts or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more exciting farm adventures. See you next time. Stay inspired, and may your harvest be plentiful. Welcome to our documentary on mango farming. At Farm Vibes Life, we delve into the fascinating world of farming, harvesting, and production, inviting you to connect with the essence of agriculture. Get ready to embark on a journey that takes mangoes from farm to table, from young saplings to ripe, delicious fruit, ready to be displayed on supermarket shelves. Revered as the king of fruits, mangoes are loved not only for their exquisite sweetness, but also for their incredible versatility. This video will showcase the entire production process, from cultivation and care to processing, highlighting the special techniques that have made mangoes beloved by millions around the world. Mangoes, a captivating tropical fruit, thrive in many countries with warm and humid conditions. India has emerged as the leading mango-producing country, contributing over half of the world's mango supply, with famous varieties such as Alfonso and Dasheri. Furthermore, countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines also play a significant role in mango cultivation, benefiting from an ideal tropical climate that provides the perfect balance of temperature and rainfall. Mangoes play a crucial role in the economic landscape of many countries, significantly driving global agricultural growth. Growing mangoes requires careful planning and a deep understanding of ideal ecological conditions. These trees thrive in warm environments with abundant sunlight and grow best in well-drained soil. The growing season typically begins in late spring when the weather is stable and the soil has the perfect balance of moisture. Growers carefully select the best varieties, often opting for grafted trees to ensure maximum yield and resistance to pests and diseases. After preparation, seeds or young saplings are planted at precise intervals, allowing the roots to grow freely and ensuring the canopy receives ample sunlight. In the early stages, mango trees require meticulous care to grow strong and stable. Regular watering is essential to keep the roots hydrated, while consistent fertilization provides the necessary nutrients to support growth. Furthermore, spraying is a crucial strategy to protect mango trees from pests and other harmful factors, while also providing additional foliar nutrients to enhance their vitality. Surpassing conventional techniques, the advent of modern technology, such as drones, has revolutionized spraying operations. These tools enable precise and uniform application across the canopy, enhancing efficiency and resource management. This innovation not only enhances protection, but also strengthens the tree's resilience against harsh weather conditions. Pruning plays a crucial role in mango tree care, focusing on the removal of dry and diseased branches. By removing these weaker elements, the tree can redirect nutrients to healthier, more productive areas, promoting overall growth and enhancing fruit quality. This practice is key, to ensuring the steady and efficient growth of a mango orchard. Mango trees typically take about 2 to 3 years to mature and start bearing fruit. During the flowering season, these trees showcase fragrant blossoms, marking the beginning of fruit development. Mangoes grow steadily and are typically ready for harvest after approximately 105 days. In some regions, young mangoes are often wrapped in protective bags to prevent pests, insects, and environmental factors such as heavy rain or intense sunlight. This approach not only prevents scratches and damage during the growth stage, but also preserves the mango's natural color and premium quality at harvest. Bagging is a common practice at premium mango farms to ensure the fruit meets the highest quality standards. The mango harvesting process is a delicate craft, harmonizing traditional and modern techniques to achieve the best fruit quality. In regions where mango trees have drooping branches, farmers carefully handpick the fruit or use specialized tools, following a time-honored tradition cherished for generations. This meticulous technique minimizes damage to the tree and preserves the mango's natural sweetness. To reach the higher branches of taller trees, farmers use long poles with attached nets to harvest the fruit gently. Each mango is carefully inspected for ripeness, ensuring that any unripe fruit is left on the tree to mature further. This careful and precise harvesting technique ensures that only the highest quality mangoes proceed to the next stage of production. After harvesting, mangoes are transported to processing facilities, where they are carefully handled to ensure top quality standards for the market. The first step involves cleaning, where mangoes are passed through an automated washing system that uses high-pressure water to remove dirt and external impurities. Next, they undergo a sorting process that utilizes advanced optical technology, employing sensors and imaging to meticulously assess their color, size, and surface condition. Mangoes that do not meet the standards are discarded, while those that qualify undergo a thorough manual inspection by a skilled team to ensure no defects are overlooked. Finally, the mangoes are carefully packed into specialized boxes designed to protect the fruit during transportation and create an appealing presentation for consumers. From processing to packaging, every step strictly adheres to hygiene and food safety standards, while preserving the mango's delicate flavor and attractive appearance, ensuring the product stands out in the market. Some mangoes are deseeded and pureed using advanced machinery. Modern mango pulping machines execute this process flawlessly, achieving an impressive efficiency of up to 99%. This ensures optimal pulp recovery while minimizing waste to the greatest extent possible. Thanks to its exceptional efficiency, this process not only maximizes yield, but also enhances economic efficiency in mango juice production. Throughout the process, the peel, seeds, and mango pulp are efficiently separated, ensuring smooth and effective operation. While manual pulping is possible without machinery, it often results in significant pulp loss and requires much more labor. After peeling, the juicy mango flesh is expertly extracted from the tough seed using specialized slicing machines, ensuring a process that is both precise and efficient. Next, the mangoes are sliced into smaller pieces and subjected to ultra-low temperature freezing. This technique preserves the integrity and freshness of the mangoes, preparing them for further processing or extended storage. Thanks to this meticulous approach, the product maintains exceptional quality, meeting the diverse demands of consumers. Through this documentary, we aim to provide you with deeper insights into the journey of mango production and the unwavering dedication of farmers who work tirelessly to deliver premium quality mangoes. If you found this video interesting, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We invite you to share your thoughts or suggestions for future topics in the comments section below. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.